Guys, so welcome back to Made by Nala. Today I'll be showing you how I made this ruffle dress for my holiday. So I had this sports cord that I got from Primark and it was looking very boring, so I went to my local fabric shop to look for material that I could use to create spirals. I found this beautiful organza material. So this is the before of how it looked before the organza. To be fair, I was loving it and I was loving the shape. As you can see, I'm loving it off. So I placed my organza on the table and I used a plate to cut a circle around. It should look like this. I can do a more detailed tutorial very soon. And then once that was done, I carefully cut like the inner circle to create the spiral. I feel like I can do a more detailed ruffle tutorial, just a separate one. Let me know down in the comment box below. So I did two and I was really loving it off, and I realized that I need more to create more body. So I did about 15 circles and cut them out. And then here's me cutting inside the circle to create the ruffles. Once I had cut them all out, I had something like this and I was loving it, and I was just trying to work out how exactly I wanted to stick these on, but I was just having too much fun, so yeah. So after playing around with it for a bit, I decided that I wanted to stitch it in the middle. So I added a couple of pins so that I knew exactly where to go with it. I was still having fun. And yeah, and then I took it to the sewing machine. I made sure to match my threads. This is a little bit lighter, but it worked perfectly. On the sewing machine, I put a zigzag stitch and started to stitch that up. It was a whole lot of fabric, as you can see. So this is how it was looking once I'd stitched it. Honestly, I wasn't like the happiest person, so I was trying to figure out how to create more dimensions. So I decided to like make some roses. And this is how the flower turned out. I honestly loved it, but I decided not to use it for this project. I'll probably use it for another project. And that's the end of the tutorial, guys. I really like that outfit. I literally tied a knot in the center and it just created the dimension. But thank you for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah.